everyone, let's unbox this cute Christmas sleigh together. Right out of the box, I really love the festive red color and the beautiful gold tone details. The curved sleigh design gives it such a classic and elegant Christmas look. I decided to put a few red Christmas ornaments inside, and I think they look absolutely adorable. It's a great way to turn the sleigh into a little holiday display, and you could also add small Christmas gifts, candies, or other decorations. It's a nice size for a tabletop, mantel, shelf, or even as part of a Christmas centerpiece. Such a simple decoration, but it really adds that cozy Christmas feeling to the room.